The crates that we've got are full. So what I'm planning to do, but I think we need sticks for that. Not farming. Furnace. Yeah, wood container. We need planks. I think we've got planks. Or to craft some more. Should be okay. First things first. Let's craft this. Let's light it. Light. I think that we had the kind.
Let me search for that.
Okay, I found them. Hobo stove. Can't I light this? Oh, I can. The campfire is out of fuel. Need
We
fuel?
need. What?
Oh, I think we need sticks. Stuff like that.